Whether you're in IT, operations, finance, or business intelligence, you're facing the same challenges when it comes to managing data. Data integrity issues, struggling with security and compliance, lacking a single source of truth, constantly worrying about real-time accuracy. You're finding it hard to convince others to move away from Excel, and you're always needing more speed. When these struggles hit, your business slows down, efficiency drops, and growth stalls. At Acterys, we understand these challenges and have created Smart XL, an Excel-based interface within Power BI. It empowers your team to leverage familiar skills while integrating seamlessly with Power BI's advanced tools. With Smart XL, you get a reduced learning curve. It drives increased user adoption, making Power BI easy for everyone to use. It centralizes your data, which means no more silos. All with the flexibility and functionality you already know from Excel and the power of Power BI. Plus, faster implementation by importing existing Excel templates. Smart XL allows your organization to take the next step in transforming your data management. Connect with us today to learn more about Smart XL and unlock the potential of your business.